Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today, easy, super easy. We're going to make potato pancake. And the ingredient we need is Enrico, my little help. Is my masterchef. Scusa. Okay, we need a potato. I make not so many potatoes because I make just like a snack. Not too many, but you can take potato how many you like. Okay, potato, marjoram, I need 2 garlic, pepper, breadcrumb, salt, plain flour and 1 egg. And plus I want to do this with sauerkraut and some crispy bacon. Some crispy I did already before because in my house the alarm start beep 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 and it's not possible.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast.
Okay, the first step is grate the potato. First step, big we don't need. We need small. Okay? Inside, take the potato, take your time and start grate. You know, you're gonna do all 3 potatoes. Okay? See you when it's ready, this, okay? Okay guys, 3 potatoes is like that. Clean everything, check inside, or with hands, or with knife, with everything you like, you do. We are not masterchef, we cook at home, we cook for the family. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website, cookwithanitalian.com. Okay, now, you see how much water? I do this now. You can go and see and you try to squeeze.
Oh my.
It's better the water. You see how much? Okay, and now we have to add the ingredient. Marjoram, everything inside. Yeah, everything. Thank you. Later we need 2 or 3 tablespoons of. I tried with 2. If when I mix it, if I need a little bit more, I can put. And I put the breadcrumb because it become very crunchy. And Enrico like crunchy stuff.
Nyam, 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 nyam.
And couple tablespoon as well the flour. Buttane un altro papà. I with Enrico I speak Italian, English. Mettine un altro. Yeah, inside. Little bit more. And we see this. We put these 2 garlic. Ok, il prossimo. Ok? 1. Zack. We put some salt. Salt inside. How much you like. Some black pepper. Okay, and now the egg. Enrico, you want to put this egg inside? Try here, Papa. It's more. A little bit more. Okay, inside. Piano piano. Well done. Oh, well done, Enrico. Now, guys, it's time to mix everything inside. Mix everything. Nice. Like this. Take your time. When the mix is ready, I show. Yeah, you have to check always salt and pepper. Oh, look at that. If this potato pancake is nice if you add some courgette. You can grate some courgette inside. It's very, very nice. Everything, you know, in the kitchen you have some fantasy and everything is nice. This is a typical, well, my beautiful partner is from Slovakia. They used to do in Slovakia a lot this stuff. That's why it's bacon and sauerkraut. Okay, I think it's ready. Now we need a nice pot.
And you have always a lot of stuff in the fridge.
Always a lot. And we put some oil. I use olive oil because I like olive oil from my cousin in Puglia. It's a good one.
Oh yeah.
put a little bit oil, a little bit more, I think. But we try with this. And adesso, turn on. And when the oil is ready, always when you fry it, first one is not one the best, but you know, we waited the oil, but the don't put too much because it's gonna be quite thin, not too thick. Okay? And do like that. I think stop. This is just the first one. This couple minutes is ready. The smell is already nice. That's it. You have to do this each side. I will show you just first one. See, start the color. Well, you have to spend couple minutes, 1.5, 2 minutes per side. Start fry. I show you now how they coming. Okay. Okay, guys. When you have something like that, it's ready. You know, the other side is perfect. Always when you fry, you can put even less than that amount I put before. It cook more quickly. Put in the plate with some pepper to absorb the oil. Add some oil all the time. And when is everything fried, I show you the next step. Okay? Job is done. The potato pancake, they so beautiful. The smell is
Yeah, it smells delicious.
delicious. And from that 3 potatoes, I have just 8 pancakes this dimension. Now I will try it, and I put just like I said. I want to try with some sauerkraut. I recommend you this. Is nice. Some bacon, crispy, and if you like, sour cream. Like this. Okay, ragazzi, guys, now is the time, you know.
Ow! My bone.
Buonissimo. Very, very tasty. Oh, Madonna mia. Absolutely delicious, easy. I recommend you with like that, but you can do any way you like. Well, viene ricucciò. Guys, the potato pancakes is this, and if you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao, ciao, ciao.